Hi, in this video I will try to make a diagram on the supply and demand when you have the price. And it's a little bit difficult and I'm not a specialist, so I have to do it in my way because it's difficult to have the correct values on the axis. So I start with price and demand, and I press insert and recommended diagrams, and I choose this one and say OK. But as you can see, the values here, it's not the price, it's wrong, and this is not the volume. So I right click here and I choose data, and then I choose the demand and redigere, change, and then I change the X value here, delete, and I choose all these here for the X, and then on the price axis I delete this and choose the prices here, and then I press OK. And as you can see, now you have the price and the volume and the correct demand. And then I have to add the supply curve. So I right click, choose data, and here I add, tilføj means add. So I add a new series name called supply, and the X values, it is these values, and the price values, it is these. So, and I press enter and I press OK, and then I have the diagram. Maybe not the correct way, but I had to do it fast because some of the students asked. So here it is.